everyone! In this short tutorial, we will take a quick look at chats in Bridge, the place where your team's communication comes together. In Bridge, conversations happen through channels, direct messages, and AI-powered chats. Let's start with channels. Channels help your team to discuss specific topics or projects, all in one organized space. When creating a channel, you can make it public or private, and even assign to a specific project for better structure. Inside any channel, you can send messages, attach files, mention not only your teammates but also agents, tasks, documents, and databases. Edit and pin messages, and make group audio calls. To reach out to someone directly, open direct messages, perfect for quick updates or one-on-one audio calls. You can also chat with AI agents. For example, ask Bridge Copilot to summarize discussion, find a task, or automate routine actions. That was a quick look at chats in Bridge, your single space for collaboration and AI-powered assistance.